Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook grilled chicken on stove. Start by selecting boneless, skinless chicken breasts or thighs, ideally about 1 inch thick. If your chicken pieces are thicker, gently pound them to an even thickness. This ensures they cook uniformly. Next, marinate your chicken for at least 30 minutes or even up to 4 hours to infuse it with delicious flavor and keep it tender. Before cooking, it's crucial to pat the chicken thoroughly dry with paper towels. This step is key for achieving that perfect, crispy sear on your stove-grilled chicken. For the best stove-grilled chicken, a heavy-bottomed cast iron grill pan is your secret weapon. Begin by preheating your grill pan over medium-high heat for about 5 to 10 minutes. You want it really hot. Then, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of a high smoke point oil, like canola or grapeseed, to the pan. Wait until the oil is shimmering, but not smoking, before carefully placing your prepared chicken onto the hot surface. This ensures those beautiful grill marks and even cooking. Carefully place your chicken pieces onto the hot grill pan, making sure to leave a little space between each one. Cook for about 3 to 5 minutes per side without moving them. This allows for proper searing and grill marks. For those appealing crosshatch marks, rotate the chicken 90 degrees halfway through cooking each side. Always use a meat thermometer to confirm the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring it's perfectly cooked and safe to eat. Once your chicken is perfectly cooked, transfer it to a clean cutting board or plate. It's crucial to tent the chicken loosely with aluminum foil and let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This resting period is vital because it allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring your chicken remains incredibly moist and tender. Finally, slice the chicken against the grain for maximum tenderness and serve it immediately with your favorite delicious side dishes. Enjoy your perfectly stove-grilled chicken.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.